Hello YouTube, this is John. Today we are going to show you the process. We are working on the Jeep and have the seat here that we are working on, and this is how we're going to show you the sewing process. So after sewing, we have a friend here who's doing the work, very careful. So whatever you see here, they have done the calculations, the measurements, and as you can see, this is walnut and the wheel. So we're going to show you the process, then I'll do the time lapse in the next part. I'll check on the other part.